Hello.
Not Brian.
Not Val.
Dylan.
Hannah.
We worked on some fast tempo dancing stuff today.
But before we talk about that, this is level 3, Tempo Plus.
Correct.
At Uptown Swing in March? Yeah.
13th. Yeah.
Something like that. So we reviewed that nice 6/8 phrase that y'all did last week, but we made it an 8/8 phrase because we totally didn't have a blues prepared. So that looked like this.
Sure. We started from 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3. 5, 6. One more swing out. 3, 5, 6. A circle. 2. A run, kick step. Charleston basic. One more Charleston basic. Kick up, shoot. Ha. Hoo. Wah. Around, shoot. Around, shoot, and then we looped it again.
So we spent a bunch of time picking apart various bits of that,
Right.
particularly those little kick free turns. So we did an exercise where we just made everybody do those by themselves, back and forth. Keep your eyes up, keep your feet under you, keep your core engaged. Rock on. After that, we moved on to some new things.
Yeah, we subtracted. So we talked about when the dancing gets fast, we kind of can take out the triples, make it just a hold step. So shoot, shoot, triple, shoot, kick step, shoot.
And from there, we exaggerated that even more for the followers into the Bjorn, or the bird.
Yeah.
Bjorn, I don't know.
BJORD. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I totally thought it was.
Yeah. Leaders,
That
we
thing.
talked about being there for the followers, actually engaging our lats on that down. Yeah, getting that and then being in position on the where you would be in a normal triple step, being there on that 3.
Yeah, and followers, yeah, we talked about posture. We talked about really holding our space and how we connect with the partner.
Forward swing out.
Last thing we did was a soft launch of forward swing outs.
Yeah.
They look like this.
Looks better like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoot.
Hello. They're so fun.
Yeah. Very easy. 2 things I give the leaders. Catch a little lower so you can base your follower, and then let go a little earlier than you would do in a normal swing out. If you can base, let go, so that they can go that way. Anything for the followers? No.
It should be obvious, so just do it when it happens, or ask for it when you want it.
Correct? Bye.
Rules for life.